Welcome to the course. In this first session, we'll focus on introducing Google Sheets and Google Forms, two essential tools that are widely used across businesses and organizations. Google Sheets is a cloud-based spreadsheet application that lets you store, organize, analyze, and visualize your data. Whether you're managing financial data, analyzing performance, or simply keeping track of tasks, Sheets offers a flexible platform to work with numbers and text in an organized, structured manner. Google Forms, on the other hand, is designed to help you collect information from others in an easy-to-use format. With Google Forms, you can create surveys, polls, registration forms, quizzes, and more. It integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets, so you can store, analyze, and share responses in a structured way. By mastering these tools, you will improve your ability to handle data efficiently and collaborate effectively with others.